You've had your spatula for years,
Ouch!
but today, it turned on you. Ever burned your hand just trying to flip a burger?
Ouch! My hand's on fire! Dude, you need to try this.
Introducing the Grillbot Heatshield, your shield against the fire. Protect your hands from uneven heat, flare-ups, and greasy splatter. With the Grillbot Heatshield, you'll have the confidence to stay close to the flame and the time to perfect every flip. Available in bold colors and rugged styles, it makes the perfect gift for the griller in your life. The patent-pending Grillbot Heatshield, made from heat-resistant premium silicone, is dishwasher safe, fits any grill tool in seconds, and grips tight without slipping. Whether it's tongs, spatulas, brushes, or forks, it's got you covered.
Where has this been all my life?
Grill smarter, not hotter. Perfect for dads, brothers, barbecue lovers, or anyone who lives at the grill. Go to grillbots.com, that's grillbots.com. Order today and be the holiday hero.